our native Queensland ducks are taking the morning shower. As you can see that, how they are taking the shower. It's interesting to watch the way they wash their body, wash their feather. It's very, very, very nice. Some they just take a dip, others they take a dive, and it's very, very, very nice. And some are taking the rest after the bath. There's a small pond close to our house, and these are our Queensland native duck. You can see they are all nearly same size and same color. They are living here for years and years. So our council has created a small pond for them. So they come and play. People come and watch here. And they are very, very interesting to see them. As you can see that they thought some of them are going to, some of them are thinking that I'm going to put some food. I don't have any food, and I always enjoy watching them. There are plenty of food. You can see that there's a lot of food. There are fish, there are other things in the small pond area. This is also a little bit of creek, going through our suburb. Very nice. Thanks for watching.